So today I'm going to show you how you can manage OneDrive through Notion. So first we're going to open up this video here, which is currently stored inside my OneDrive. Now granted, this is still the very beginning of everything, so still much to do as far as true management of OneDrive, but we are getting there. So as you can see, that pops up directly to the video. And of course, because somebody wants to think that I am sitting there and actually having to change everything in the button rather than it all being dynamic, you can now see that this will also pop up its video as such. And then to even take it further, what we're going to do is we're going to show you that I can also do it on mobile. So you can see right here, here's the same videos, and we're going to open that on mobile as well, taking us directly to the video. From there, we're going to hit the back button, which is going to give me the ability to either go directly back into that page or into just the OneDrive main page. So for instance, I can go back specifically to that page if there was other details and such that you wanted to look up. From there, we're going to hit back again to go back to the main screen, and then we're going to open up this video as well. And then we're going to hit that back, and then we can just hit the Notion and go right back to there. So that is the teaser start of how to manage OneDrive through Notion.